Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making mashed potatoes, or as I like to call them, mashed taters. I'm using the yellow potatoes. I like these. They cook up really soft and tender. And what we're going to do, you can use your little vegetable peeler. I can't use one of those. I've tried and tried. So I just use my knife, and we're going to peel all these potatoes. Then we're going to wash them, and you can quarter them or cut them in even smaller pieces, and then we're gonna boil them. Okay, so I'm gonna peel these potatoes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the potatoes peeled, so now I'm gonna wash them. Now we're gonna cut them up in pieces and put them in a saucepan. I like to use a large saucepan. I fixed, I think, about 7 of these little yellow potatoes, but they're small, so I'm just, we're just feeding me and my husband, so this is plenty for us. But if you're using Idaho potatoes, you'll want to use probably about 5 of those. Okay, I've transferred my cubed potatoes into my saucepan, and I'm going to fill it up with water till, I don't know, it's about 1 inch above the potatoes, and I'm going to put my burner on the highest setting and let it start boiling, and then I'll turn it down some to a little over medium. And we'll boil them until they are tender, probably about 10 minutes or so. Our potatoes are cooked and tender, and we're just going to drain those in the sink strainer. And we're going to transfer these to our mixing bowl. Bring them over here, and we're going to add a 1/3 cup of milk and 1 stick of butter. And I like to salt mine quite a bit. You all can put as much salt in there as you like, and just mash them, my potato masher. And then we're going to mix it all up with our mixer until it's all combined. And that's how you make mashed potatoes. If you've liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.